Hi everybody, this is Therese. I hope everybody's having a great day today. For this video, um, it's about time that I do this video. It's my second Stranger Things Love Triangle inspired look. This time, it's between fans are fighting for this too. um, um, 11, Mike, and Will. So, you know, well, before I get started in the video, I just want to let you know that, like, it's since season 4, um, this one-sided love triangle has been going on. Because after all, Mike and 11 are still together. Right now, I don't think they're broken up yet, officially, or silently, whatever. It's yet to be and then with since especially since season 4, it's been obvious that Will's been in love with Mike all along. So, and let's just get started. It's I'm gonna for this I'm gonna put this eye look into this eye look. If you want to know what my cheek, and it's hard to see. um I used MAC's Friends Don't Lie blush. It's a bubblegum pink color right over here. I put it like toward my cheekbone area, like an angle to make my cheeks look lifted. And of course I used MAC's lip gloss in Erie L. This is pretty peachy neutral color. Okay. It's a pretty challenging makeup look because a lot of the shades, especially in this palette right here, all the colors are in the panel looks darker, but in reality on my eyelids it's pretty pretty light. So so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to end up, I'll do the best I can. I'll do the best I can to just mix colors and stuff like that for anything to show up. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette version of 11. I'll just, whatever's related to these three individuals, along with places that are significant to all three together, or maybe two of them together. I'm dressed for anything to show up at this point. I might as well put Starcourt Mall. I'm gonna mix these colors from the class of 1986 from MAC. And the ColourPop times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette version of 11. And Waffle Thief. Let's give this a whirl. Oh my god, I'm scared. So I'm gonna put all these color combinations in my crease. It might be a mistake, a big mess. I shouldn't have put Waffle Thief, but it's associated with L. Waffle Thief came from ColourPop's times Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. Do this again. I haven't tried any kind of, despite of the fact that I wore the e.l.f. Eyeshadow primer, it's not working. It's okay. That's why I like these videos so much, to make challenges and stuff like that. Okay. Well, you can barely see the crease color. All these shades based on 11 herself. At Starbucks Mall, these three kids went to the mall. So, obviously, everybody did, you know. So next one, I'm trying to figure out what to do. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna experiment on this one. I didn't do this in the original one right here. So I'm gonna go back to Will from the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna need a flat shader brush. It's gonna be a where's the color kind of disaster. Um, um, and I'm trying to see if I should put something in together or something like that. You know, screw it. I'm just gonna go for. I'm gonna dip the. I'm gonna also add Waffle Thief. Combine them. See if anything's gonna show up. A little bit. Yeah. See if you notice Will in the eyeshadow, Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. It's supposed to be like a orangey color. It's starting to show up a little bit. So I'm gonna do that one more time. Mix Will from Stranger Things eyeshadow palette, along with Waffle Thief from ColourPop times Stranger Things. I'm gonna pat like this. I think that's fine. Okay, it's showing up a little bit. I'm gonna put it on the lid. Excuse me, sheesh. Okay, it works. Okay, so I'm trying to remember what I was gonna do for Mike. So for Mike, yeah, it's gonna end up like a simple look. It's just, it's okay. Excuse me for saying all the dang time. I'm gonna take my sweet time. Learn from me. Take my sweet time. Not a problem. Okay. Oh, thank God. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take this. I guess this coral orangey color called Mike in the Stranger Things eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna put that on my brow bone. And then I'm gonna blend it to the crease. When I look in my mirror, the shadows pop out a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the CoverGirl Stranger Things upside down kohl eyeliner in Will the Wise. So I'm gonna. It's a great eyeliner. It's smooth and stuff like that. Big pigment, but the problem is it's a pain in the neck to sharpen. It's hard to sharpen, especially this plasticky, I guess pencil wood, whatever you call it. Okay, so I'm gonna line it as neat. It doesn't have to be super neat or perfect or something like that. So I'm just gonna line it on my top lash line and halfway here to my bottom lash line. I'm gonna take any eyeliner brush or whatever. I guess I'm gonna do my double-ended stila. I'm gonna take this one associates with the guys. Will, excuse me. Will and Mike. Um, but I'm determined to make the eyeliner pop a little bit more. So I'm gonna take MAC class of 1986 eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna put Palace Arcade. It's a beautiful purple shade. I'm gonna put that on top of the liner, the Will the Wise liner. Almost done. Okay, I'm almost done, my loves. One more eyeshadow. Yes, this is a place where I'm gonna take a pencil brush, some sort. I'm gonna put Surfer Boy Pizza in the inner lower corner. This is from season 4, by the way. They were at a Surfer Boy Pizza on the way back to Hawk from California to Hawkins. They were with like Jonathan, Will, Mike, 11, and Argyle. We're at Surfer Boy Pizza, and Mike doesn't want to think that pineapple on pizza is disgusting, so they're trying. Argyle's trying to, have. I'm just looking at um, uh, you know, make him try the pineapple pizza and stuff like that. So, and then poor Will's looking at Mike's sad and stuff like that, knowing that he loves Lemon and stuff like that at the time. Okay, and this is my final look. My 11, Mike, and Will inspired look. It's neutral and stuff like that, which is fine. Whatever. I don't know. I'm sure once if I use this makeup look for in the natural daylight, I think it's gonna pop out. It's gonna look very pretty and stuff like that. Maybe I should try it for tomorrow for my when I go to church tomorrow. It's a neutral look and stuff like that. Anything else? No, that's about it. Now we have one more episode, Stranger Things, called the final episode is called The Right Side Up. It's gonna be very interesting. What's gonna happen? And now that I'm not gonna say, for those of you who haven't seen season 5, volume 2, I'm not gonna say whether or not Nancy decides on staying with Jonathan or leaving Jonathan for Steve or not dumping both or whatever, or but anyways, you're gonna have to find out if you haven't seen season 5 volume 2 to find out the answer of the fate of that love triangle. But like that, the Jonathan, Nancy, and Steve love triangle, who cares? Who gives a rat's ass? Same thing with this seemingly one-sided love triangle between 11, Mike, and Will. Who gives a rat's ass? The whole entire gang, even Joyce is involved and stuff like that. They're going to the Upside Down to rescue the kids. And not just that, most importantly, they need to take down Vecna and stuff like that. And so it's going to be interesting what's going to happen. And, there's no time to waste. So we'll see. We'll just see what happens. And that's about it. Very beautiful. Good. Kudos to Noah Schnapp. For that for that very emotional, tearful scene. And again, I hope I don't spoil too much about what this now iconic Will Byers emotional scene. You're gonna have to find out if you haven't seen season 5, volume 2, especially the last episode of volume 2. In the meantime, okay, that's it. Okay, until my next video, whenever that is, peace out. Bye.